Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Jonah Felipe Tumaluan, 36 years old. I am a single parent. I have 5 children. They age are 20 years old, 17, 12, 7, and 6 years old. I'm living at Research Minante Uno, Kawayan City, Isabela, and I have 6 siblings, 2 brothers, 4 sisters, and I'm a 5th child of the family, and I'm high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I work in Dubai in the one couple, and I serve the family of like cooking, cleaning, and ironing, and especially to serve that family. And also I work in Saudi Arabia. Finish contract 2 years, and one couple and two children. They age are 7 years old, 1 year old, and I serve that family, cleaning, ironing, cooking, and especially the children taking care of the family. And also I work Kuwait City, 4 years finished contract, and I serve that family, chores of household, and cleaning, ironing, cooking, and taking care of the children, sir.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I security of the safety of the children, and also I check always the temperature, sir, and if they sick children, and I call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, sir. Size 1 inches and 3 small size, sir.
Okay. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I want work abroad for my family, especially to my children, to earn money to stable for in the future, sir.
Okay, if you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My sister and brother-in-law, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus my work, and I tell myself I need this job for my family.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at night 10 p.m. until finish my work, and I wake up at 5 a.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'm be patient, sir, and I calmer and while dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And then I need to be extended if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper, and I'm a good servant to your family. And thank you, sir.